Hi there, students. In this video I wanted to look at some words related to sustainable energy, green energy. And there are various ways of producing sustainable energy. We can use the sun, and that we call solar energy or photovoltaic energy. This photovoltaic energy, from the Greek word photos, talking about light, and this is voltage or volts from light from the sun. You could have a photovoltaic cell, a photovoltaic panel, a solar panel. Then you can get energy from the wind. Here comes the wind. You can probably just about hear it on the microphone. This we call eolic energy, eolic or aeolic energy. I would use both pronunciations. This is a windmill going round and round and round and round and round, and that spins a turbine. So wind power, aeolic power. Then we can have energy from water, hydroelectric power, hydro. Hydros, from I think the Greek word water, hydroelectric. So this is where you've got water that falls down. Oh, I forgot. Eolic. This comes from the Greek god Aeolos, who was the god of the winds. Then you could have energy from the earth, geothermal energy. From geo, from ge, the earth in ancient Greek. This is where you make a long tube a long way down into the earth, which is really hot, and you take the energy from there. You could use bioenergy, particularly biofuel. This is fuel that is made from plants and things like that. They grow trees and they then burn them. Okay, so biofuel. Then the next two that we have are from the sea. You get tidal energy, where the water comes in, you grab it, you catch it, and then it flows out again. Or you can also have energy from wave power. I wish these two had good words as well. So photovoltaic, with light, eolic with the wind, and hydroelectric from water, geothermal down into the earth, biofuel, bioenergy from life, from plants, then we have tidal energy and wave power. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Types of sustainable energy.